Hey, what up, everybody? Stevie Breach coming to you today. My Twitter is ablaze. I have a few people sending me this story, letting me know that it is out there, and I don't know if I'm reading this story the same way that everybody else is reading the story, but the way that these people are sending me this is basically saying that CM Punk is returning to the WWE, and basically the way that I'm reading the story is that WWE has reached out to CM Punk and reached some sort of a merchandise agreement with CM Punk where they're going to be allowed to sell his merchandise. I do not think that this is a guaranteed return of CM Punk returning soon. I think that WWE definitely is in need of some sort of a star right now. I think they are molding Dean Ambrose to step into the sort of role that CM Punk was in while he was in WWE and before he left, or he would be that sort of upper card sort of guy, but Ambrose has got some polishing up in order to do it. He's really great at promos. He's had some really good matches in WWE, but I think he really needs some sort of real on-fire angle to sort of put him in that spot where people are going to look at him as a guaranteed main event guy, no matter if he's in that main event slot or if he's in, that second, the second to the top match for a pay-per-view. I was really hoping that Rollins versus Ambrose was going to be that exclamation point on his career, but it looks like he's going to have some sort of another feud, and I'm really hoping that they're putting him with Bray Wyatt to sort of up that game where people really start to notice how great his wrestling promos are. But I think that the WWE has been trying to get CM Punk to answer the phone for a long time, and I think what really got him there was basically CM Punk wrote that long letter. Oh, I guess basically he had his lawyers draft up a letter, read it over. People, said it was 22 pages long, just basically saying that he doesn't work for WWE anymore and that his contract is expired and he doesn't understand why WWE is still including him in the new video game that's going to be coming out. Some people already have it. I've seen some videos of it being played online, and just basically, they shouldn't be able to be still releasing merchandise if he's not under contract anymore. And with this, some people have been saying that they've listed some CM Punk shirts up on the website, so you can go over there and you can buy them. And I'm not sure what else there is out there. I think maybe they did that Ultra CM Punk sale where they were selling off the DVD and the Blu-ray as low as $2.99 a piece. They were selling some T-shirts for pennies on the dollar, and I think more than likely there were shirts that just didn't sell because CM Punk had a lot of shirts and not all of them were the best, and they weren't fan favorites, so they more than likely just took them down, maybe saving them for another day, or something like that. And they're just ones that are still there. The ones that are up well, I guess a lot of them have that taped up fist on it, and the back says "Best since day one." I don't know. I don't think CM Punk is in a hurry to come back, but I think CM Punk is definitely looking for a way to make money, to sort of live long with his life. I think a lot of people always bring up the fact that CM Punk wasn't really spendy with his money, and he saved it, and he's got enough money to live the rest of his life. But I mean, as long as he doesn't have to go to work for WWE, and WWE wants to have a T-shirt up of you on WWE shop.com, why not just let the money roll in? I mean, it's not stopping you from doing anything else you want to do. If you want to go on 1,000, whatever the Walking Dead television shows, or if you want to become some sort of a analysis guy for MMA, or he said he wanted to have his own podcast, and he said he wanted to have his band. I'm sure he's going to make more money having his T-shirt on WWE Shop, and he's going to have it on 1 Hour Tees or Pro Wrestling Tees or anything like that. That's just me. I mean, Stone Cold Steve Austin, he's somehow able to have shirts on both sides, so maybe CM Punk will be able to come up with something like that. But as of right now, I guess the story is that CM Punk has signed some sort of a merchandise deal where he's going to get paid for the upcoming WWE film, which is going to be the Flintstones movie, which he has a voice in. WWE video game, which people were making a big deal because they took the CM Punk logo off of his sweatshirt when he comes down to the ring. And then I guess he's got some merch up on WWE.com. So we'll see where this goes from here. I'm not going to jump off the cliff and say that he's going to return and he's going to be on Raw tonight. But maybe there is more to this story. But I really wouldn't hold my breath until the day he comes back. I just don't think it's anytime soon.